Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best battery adapter is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for anyone looking to bring the festive spirit to their home without the hassle of traditional power outlets, especially when decorating with Christmas lights. Imagine effortlessly illuminating your porch, trees, or indoor spaces with vibrant light displays, all powered by convenient batteries, making setup a breeze and placement completely flexible, no matter how far from a wall socket you are. This adapter is designed to seamlessly integrate with various types of Christmas lights, offering a simple and effective solution for a truly magical holiday ambience. Number 5. Brightown 29 feet G40 LED Outdoor String Lights. Introducing the Brightown 29 feet G40 LED Outdoor String Lights. These lights offer a warm, inviting glow perfect for any outdoor setting. Enjoy customizable ambience with these fully dimmable lights. They are energy efficient, providing over 20,000 hours of illumination with a warm white glow. Easily expand your lighting setup with connectable strands, supporting up to 60 sets. They are built with a heavy-duty cord that resists cold cracking for year-round use. Designed to withstand the elements, these lights are IP65 weatherproof, handling rain, wind, and snow. They are UL certified for safe outdoor use. Setting up these lights is a breeze. Simply use cable ties or cup hooks for flexible arrangement on fences, pergolas, or railings. Individual bulb outages won't affect the rest of the string. Perfect for a variety of occasions, from backyard parties to weddings and cafe decor. They provide a charming atmosphere wherever they are placed. What we like. These outdoor string lights are built to withstand the elements with IP65 weatherproof technology. They are also connectable, allowing you to extend them for larger areas. If you're looking to create a festive atmosphere for a backyard party or wedding, these are a great choice. What people say. This adapter is a lifesaver for decorating my outdoor Christmas lights without needing an outlet nearby. It's incredibly easy to use, just plug in your lights and the adapter does the rest, providing power for hours. The battery life is surprisingly long, lasting through multiple evenings of use before needing a recharge. Number 4. Lepro 12V LED Strip Light. Introducing the Lepro 12V LED Strip Light, a versatile lighting solution for your home. It's perfect for adding ambience to kitchens, parties, holidays, and more. Designed with your safety in mind, this strip light operates on a low 12V voltage, producing minimal heat. It's touchable and safe for children, providing peace of mind. Installation is a breeze thanks to the strong self-adhesive backing. Simply peel and stick it to any clean surface for a secure and easy setup. Unleash your creativity with its cuttable design. You can easily trim it every 3 LEDs to create custom lengths and shapes for any project. This slim and flexible strip can be bent and folded to fit various applications. Mount it end-to-end for angled patterns or continuous rows, but handle with care. Please note that a 12V power adapter is required and sold separately. Ensure the total wattage of the lights does not exceed your adapter's capacity for optimal performance. What we like. This LED strip light operates on a safe 12V, making it touchable and safe for children. It's also cuttable and flexible, allowing for DIY customization. If you're looking to add accent lighting to your home, kitchen, or for parties, this is a versatile option. What people say. The adapter is a great solution for decorating areas without outdoor outlets. It allows you to power your Christmas lights using battery packs, making it versatile for various locations. The product is designed to be compatible with standard Christmas light strings, offering a convenient way to illuminate spaces where traditional power sources are unavailable. Number 3. Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Dimmer Starter Kit PBDG PKG2WA. Introducing the Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Dimmer Starter Kit. It offers full home lighting control that works seamlessly with your favorite smart home assistants. Plus, it doesn't require a neutral wire for installation. Experience ultra-fast and reliable performance with our Smart Hub, which operates independently of Wi-Fi. This ensures dependable smart lighting control, unlike typical Wi-Fi switches. Add a new switch location in under 15 minutes. Simply replace your existing switch with our dimmer and mount the Pico remote anywhere you need control. It blends perfectly with your existing decor. Enjoy stable performance with our smart hub, which provides a reliable connection without relying on Wi-Fi. This ensures your smart lighting is always responsive and dependable. Manage your smart lights from anywhere using the Lutron app. Create custom scenes, set schedules, and use geofencing for complete smart home automation. It connects with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Ring, and more. This makes it one of the most compatible smart lighting systems available for your connected home. Experience premium, flicker-free dimming with our advanced LED dimming technology. It ensures smooth and consistent lighting, even at low levels, with a wide range of compatible LEDs. What we like. This smart dimmer starter kit offers ultra-fast, reliable performance that works without Wi-Fi, ensuring dependable smart lighting. It integrates with major smart home ecosystems like Alexa and Google Home. If you want to upgrade your home lighting to a smart system with superior reliability and extensive compatibility, this is the one. What people say. The adapter is a great solution for decorating areas without electrical outlets. It allows you to use your existing Christmas lights with battery power, saving the hassle of running extension cords. The battery life is impressive, lasting through the entire holiday season on a single charge. Number 2. TESSAN Remote Control Outlet. Introducing the TESSAN Remote Control Outlet, your simple solution for controlling appliances. It's designed for effortless use right out of the box. No complex setup needed. This device is perfect for managing your lights, lamps, fans, and other devices without any smart apps or Wi-Fi. Control appliances from your couch or bed with ease. It's especially helpful for reaching those hard-to-access outlets, making life more convenient. Its strong RF signal works through walls and doors up to 100 feet away, without interfering with other electronics. This device stays off during power outages, saving energy and protecting your appliances. It's rated for up to 1200 W. Ideal for any room in your home, including the living room, bedroom, kitchen, and office. The indicator light confirms it's working. What we like. This remote control outlet offers a convenient way to control hard-to-reach appliances without any complicated setup. It has a 100-foot RF range and works through walls. If you have lamps or fans that are difficult to reach from your sofa or bed, this is an ideal solution for easy on-off control. What people say. This adapter is a lifesaver for my outdoor Christmas lights, allowing me to use them without needing to be near an outlet. The adapter is very sturdy and seems like it will hold up well to the elements, which is great for outdoor use. It was easy to connect and immediately powered up my lights, making setup a breeze. Number 1. Glocusent 5W Clip-On Light. This premium reading light features a sturdy clip with anti-slip pads, ensuring a secure grip on various surfaces like desks and headboards without causing damage. Its versatile design makes it perfect for any setting, from bunk beds to workbenches. Designed with your eye health in mind, it provides even illumination without flickering or dazzling. The special amber mode blocks blue light, reducing eye strain and promoting better sleep quality. Choose from 3 distinct color modes: amber for eye care, mild for general reading, and natural for focused work. With 5 brightness levels, you can easily adjust the light to suit any task or preference. Its highly flexible gooseneck allows you to position the light exactly where you need it, providing focused illumination. Unlike other lamps, it holds its position stably, ensuring consistent lighting. Enjoy the convenience of a 30-minute auto-off timer and a handy controller. It's powered by an included AC adapter, so no batteries are needed. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our excellent customer service and warranty. What we like. This clip-on reading light features an eye protection mode with blue light blocking to reduce strain and promote sleep. It offers 3 color modes and a flexible gooseneck for precise positioning. If you're a book lover or avid reader who needs a comfortable and adjustable light source for your headboard or desk, this is perfect for you. What people say. The adapter is a lifesaver for decorating areas without outdoor outlets. It allows me to use my favorite Christmas lights anywhere, even in the middle of the yard. The battery life is surprisingly long, lasting the entire holiday season on a single set of batteries. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.